everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to our channel. It's MK with Mama MK, and today we're going to be showing you how we make our favorite ginger cookies. What we're going to need for today's recipe is mainly some butter, brown sugar, egg whites, vanilla extract, molasses, all-purpose flour, and you can also add some cloves, cinnamon, and ginger to spice it up a little bit. And lastly, some baking soda. You can also add 1 egg, which will act as a binding agent. This is not necessary at all, but depending on the flour that you use, the consistency of your dough will be a bit different. So if you think you need a little bit more liquid, go ahead and add an egg and finally mix all your ingredients until well combined. Next, let's shape our dough into balls. Roll the balls in sugar and flatten them slightly. And before we put these straight into the oven, we're going to refrigerate them to give the butter in the dough a chance to firm up before baking. This will help the cookies brown better, spread less, and come out soft, chewy, and perfect. Bake these for 10 to 12 minutes, and there you go, everyone. That is ginger cookies for you. Don't forget, we post every Mondays and Fridays, so stay tuned, subscribe, leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye.